Yeah. So let's talk about sealed classes in this example. Sealed classes means it's a class which is preceded with the sealed keyword, and it cannot be inherited. Means nobody can inherit this class. Means no other class can derive from a sealed class. They can create object for the class, they can call all the methods of the class, but they cannot inherit the class into any other class. Okay, for example, if you have 10 classes in your namespace, out of which 9 classes can be inherited to any other class, but one class I don't want allow anybody to inherit, then make that class as sealed class. Okay, so how do we do it? So just we write, generally we write class name, right, like this, right? Suppose my class name is test, it's a normal class, and before this I wrote sealed keyword. So whenever you add sealed keyword before any class definition, that will become sealed class. Okay, so once you make a class as sealed, you don't have an option to inherit. In the sense, if you are writing here any other class like a class demo, I said here what I'm saying, trying to inherit this class called test, then you will get an error. That is how sealed class is going to behave. You will get an error here because the parent class is sealed. You cannot inherit from a sealed class. Okay, so you cannot inherit a sealed class into any other class. That's the point here. Let's see this example. Let's go to this new project, demo 28. So in the previous videos, we discussed about partial classes completed, static classes completed. So now we are talking about sealed class. Sealed class. Okay. So what are we doing? Class test. I'm saying my class name is test here. So here I'm writing public void hello like this. So here what I'm writing, hello from test, or I can say I'm making it as sealed class. So whenever you add sealed keyword, this will become sealed class. So here what I'm writing, hello from sealed class. Like that I'm writing a message. Sealed class test. So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to call this hello method from here. It's absolutely fine, guys. There is no issue. Test t is equal to new test. Okay, and you can call t dot hello. Absolutely perfect. There is no issue with this. But when it comes to this inheritance, then it will give you error. You cannot inherit test class into any other class. That's the point here, to remember. Okay, let's see this now. We're trying to create another class called uh, my class. I'm taking a class called my class. So both are independent classes. Test class is independent, my class is independent, but now I'm trying to inherit test class into this. See guys, you will be getting an error. So what is this error? You can keep your cursor here. Cannot derive from sealed type test, it is saying. So you cannot inherit or derive from a sealed class called test. So you can't do it. Okay, so error here. So this point we need to remove. That is the feature of a sealed class. So in your project, if any one of the classes that you don't want anybody to inherit, then make them as sealed. So before the class definition, add sealed keyword, then nobody can inherit the class. They can create object for the class, they can call all the methods normally, but they cannot inherit the class. So that is the power of sealed classes. Okay, yeah. So any questions?
Okay, sir.